Hello! Welcome back to Random Stuff We Make. Remember, I told you that we have been working on an exciting project and very soon we are going to launch a video about it?
Yeah.
Well, today is the day. Recently, we got an offer to partner up with pcbway, a leading professional manufacturer in the field of PCBs and 3D printing. And we used this opportunity to make this. A servo controller PCB with a pcbway controller. This PCB can control 18 servo motors. You can also interface this with sensors and modules essential for projects like robotic arms, robots, and much more. Thanks to pcbway, the fabrication quality is top-notch and the delivery time is quick. If you want to fabricate some PCBs for your project, check out pcbway. And if you want to learn PCB design, type in PCB in the comments and we'll teach you how to design a PCB for your project. Now let's take a look at the controller. We decided to use a pcbway board, which has an RP2040, an ARM-based controller, which features Wi-Fi and Bluetooth Low Energy for wireless communications, which is great for IoT projects. Let's quickly assemble our robotic arm and bring it to action. Now it's time to connect the servo to the PCB. Watch as the robotic arm precisely executes commands, showcasing the capabilities of our servo controller PCB. We are thrilled with how this project turned out, and it's all thanks to pcbway for their fantastic PCB fabrication. If you are looking to bring your own electronics project to life, we highly recommend checking out pcbway. Their quality and services are top-notch. Now it's time for the surprise.
What?
We hope you enjoyed watching our robotic arm in action. We will give away one robotic arm set along with the servo PCB to some lucky viewers. All you have to do is to ask 5 of your friends to type in your name in the comment section and subscribe to the channel. We will closely track the comments, and if you win, we'll send your gift to your address. So don't wait, call your Avengers and win the robotic arm.
Avengers! Assemble.